Hello friends! Today we're going to review the Crayola Color Wonder Mess-Free Coloring Kits, and this one has got Disney babies in it. It says
It's magical crayon paper coloring.
magical paper coloring?
Yeah.
Wow! It has 18 pages and 4 mini markers. Do you see? It colors and it slowly appears, and then it doesn't go onto the regular paper. So let's flip this over. We've got a couple different designs here. Who do you see in here, Bean? Who is that?
There is so many princesses.
So many princesses.
Count them all, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
That's a lot of princesses. Who's this princess?
Jasmine.
And who else?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Let me just bring this up here. Let's have a peek. Can you see all the different designs?
Yeah, give it to me.
So many of your favorite characters. Do you want to open it up?
Yeah.
Let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, that's tough. You try. Oh, good job. Oh, here's the coloring pages. Can you flip them over? Oh, look at those wonderful coloring pages.
1, 2, princesses.
Let's see, what colors? Do you want to pick out a page first before we talk about the colors?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Which page do you want to color?
No, I'm counting the princesses all up again. 1, 2, 3,
There's a Pooh Bear.
4. Mickey Mouse. 1.
Who's that guy?
Donald
Yeah.
Duck.
Donald Duck.
He's a mean guy.
Is he mean sometimes? I think he's just grouchy sometimes. Who's that?
I told you there was no flakes on.
Do you want to color this one?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. There's perforated lines here. So we're going to bend the page and we're just going to take out the one that we want.
I want...
Which one can I have?
You can have this one.
This one? Okay.
I'll
Second,
get it.
let's bend it.
I'll get it.
Can we bend it first? That'll help. It helps the perforated pages. Did you get it? Okay, now you can pull.
I'll help you.
Oh, no!
Oh, that's okay.
That's okay. We'll rip that out. We can tape that on later.
Okay.
So,
Jimmy, I want a blue marker.
a blue marker. Let's see what colors we get.
Let me see what it is. Yep, it's blue
It's
and white.
blue. There's blue and white. Let's see. Oh, I think we're missing one. Whoa, what colors did we get? What color is this one? Green.
No,
Yes. What's this one?
blue.
Blue. Let's have a peek at it. Let's show everybody.
Okay,
We got to show everybody first. Blue. And what color is this one?
Pink, blue,
And purple.
purple.
Okay, let's color. What color are you going to color with first?
I said I wanted blue.
Okay.
You can have, what color is the dress?
Are you coloring Aurora or am I coloring Aurora?
That one is yours.
Okay. All right. I'm going to color and you're going to color. Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh. Okay, I'm getting it off.
Oh, is it tricky for you?
No.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's start coloring.
Okay.
Oops.
They're nice and strong lids. And then that way, when we put them back on,
Put it
our
on
markers
the
won't
bottom.
dry
Put
out.
it on the bottom.
On the bottom like this?
Yep.
Oh, okay. And then that way we won't lose our lids? Whoa, look, it doesn't look like anything and then it turns purple. How about yours?
Nope. It turns blue.
It turns blue?
Instead of purple. Maybe I did it wrong.
No, I don't think so. How can you do it wrong? You're coloring. You can use your imagination. You can color it however you want.
I made a star. Look.
Oh, a star right there?
I made it.
You made it. I think this paper is magical. You think it's magical?
Did you
That's
make
kind
one
of
too?
neat.
Did you make one?
No, I'm just coloring her dress.
Huh? I wonder why the story doesn't go away.
Is it because Buzz Lightyear? He flies into the galaxy?
And then it makes stars? Why does it have to do with that?
Oh, I don't know.
So many princesses. Why is there supposed to be so many princesses?
I don't know. Maybe lots of people like princesses. Do you like princesses?
Yep. Did I really color that one already?
Look at this one's not changing color. That's interesting.
That's okay. Then use mine.
Well, I will finish this pink and we'll see what happens.
Okay.
That must have been something magic about the collar on her shirt. Do you think?
Yep. That's the color it makes. Oh. Let's try coloring the ears.
Should I color the rainbow?
No.
No?
That's rainbow.
Yeah, so I'll color purple in this one. It's kind of neat how the color appears after my marker is gone.
Yeah, that turns blue. Mine just turns blue and you just turns purple.
Now I went off onto my other paper and it made it a little bit wet, but it's not changing the color.
I know of that.
So that's good.
Oops, this got me. Why do you need 3 lamps? There's a
That is so cool.
1, a 2, a 3.
So that we can see really well. If we turn the marker on our side, we can color more area. Oh, I got bumped and my pink went into my purple. That's okay, right? When we're practicing, that happens.
Yeah. Happens when we're coloring. Sometimes that happens when we're not coloring very well.
When we're not being careful.
Sometimes
Oh, that looks like it's teal. Oh, look at that. Oh, what happened in there? Look how it's changing color. Oh,
turn blue.
what's that?
It turned to blue.
I didn't color that little leaf in there. Did you? Look at that. Let's see what happens when we color this one.
I colored that. How about it? Why didn't it? I didn't color that.
I see some more.
Leaves. Leaves. I ate them.
Wow. And what about this one over here?
I ate it.
I like how it doesn't look like I colored anything and then it slowly starts to appear. Then I can go back and I can color in all the spots that I missed. Okay, now I'm going to color the grass. Is she sitting at a lake? What's happening on the grass? What's happening on the grass? What are those? Let's go over here and see this one.
Flowers. Yum, yum.
This is amazing magical pictures.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are. What?
Wow,
I won't
that's
color
pretty
this
special.
one.
Can I trade you for the blue so I can finish coloring my rainbow?
No, I'm almost done with my
Okay.
picture.
I will color something else while we're waiting. How about if I make a pink basket?
No,
No? Sit back.
it's a purple basket.
Are you sure?
Rainbow colors. There,
Okay.
there. You color the bottom. Now it's time for...
I'm really enjoying this. We're going to have to go and buy some more markers so we can have some different colors. What do you think about that?
But these magical colors are going to make you a person.
They're going to what?
They're magical markers, not magical paper.
I don't have a yellow, so I'm going to make a pink sun. Is that okay?
That's okay. You can do that. And the blue.
When we're coloring, we can kind of do anything we want because it's our imagination, right?
Color it blue.
You want me to color it blue? I would like to put some blue in the rainbow when you're done with it.
How about on this side? Because you said you bumped in there. So just do it on that side. If you bumped in.
I'm curious to see what else happens in the other areas.
Well, I think it just happens. It just happens.
Just happens?
Yep. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes that happens. It's magical crayon, as you said yesterday. So let's color it. Did I just color that princess already?
I don't know. Did you?
Yeah.
Have you done this before?
Did I just color that princess already?
Maybe.
Did I just color Elsa already?
Did you color Elsa already?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, good for you. Did you have fun coloring it?
Is that the one I'm coloring right now?
Yeah, Buzz and Woody.
No, that's not his name. That can be so sly.
We'll give her some pink lips.
So sly. His name can be Sloth Sly.
Sleuth Sloth Sly?
Yeah, that's his name.
Is blue your favorite color?
Yeah, it is my favorite color.
I missed a few spots.
I told Katarina blue is my favorite color.
Yeah, and green is her favorite color?
And blue is my favorite color. And blue is not her favorite color.
No, and that's okay because we can all have different favorite colors or we can have the same favorite colors. Let's color these little leaves in here.
Huh? I wonder why his hand is not going to be blue. Oh, I wonder why he's not working on his hand.
Let's see.
Why is it not
His
working?
hand is magical. It's supposed to stay white, just like his tongue stayed white.
Maybe
Like
his
the
mouth.
star stayed white. Yeah, see, you can't color his mouth.
Why? Everything's supposed to be magical on his hand and his mouth.
What do you think? Do I get to use the blue pretty soon?
Pretty soon.
Want to trade? Buzz Lightyear likes green.
Lightyear? Buzz Lightyear? Is that his name?
This guy, Buzz Lightyear. Want to trade?
I can't remember his name by myself.
That's okay. We'll
Buzz
practice.
Lightyear is not what I like coloring.
No?
Not his button.
Okay, well, I'm going to color my water green then. Oh my goodness, what's happening?
Oh, it's
Look at, I can color all of this and then it slowly shows up. What's in the water?
flowers. Yum! Flowers.
Flowers in the water? How does that happen? Do you think they grow there or do you think that Aurora puts some in there?
Aurora put them in there. Aurora. Why did you put flowers in there?
I don't know.
There's 3 flowers in there. I ate it. I'll get it.
Thank you.
I got a few.
This is wonderful.
Actually, Soren, I really see what I'm coloring.
What are you coloring?
I am going to see what I'm coloring.
Okay.
I took this out because I will see what I'm coloring.
Can I use the blue now?
Almost.
Almost. I don't think I'm going to get the blue.
Well, you colored it. It's so beautiful. Oh, here you go.
Two. Oh, thank you. Bean.
You're welcome.
Love, Celine.
Love Celine. What is Love Celine?
Now look at, some of my coloring didn't show up there. Do you think there's some magic in the sky?
There's no magic in the sky.
Are you sure?
Look at it. Walk, 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 walk. Jump, 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 jump.
Oh, thank you. There's clouds in the sky. Look at that.
It's purple.
Look at that.
Is purple your favorite color?
You know, I don't really have a favorite color.
What is your favorite color?
I don't know. It depends what I'm doing. Sometimes I like blue, sometimes I like green, and sometimes I like purple.
Sometimes you like pink.
Well, that was pretty fun. Oh, wait. I still got an area over here to do.
I'll color that.
Oh, there's another cloud over there.
Thank you. I color this side
Okay.
for you.
Thank you so much.
Is blue your favorite color?
No. I don't know that I have a favorite color, but it's your favorite color, isn't it?
Yeah. And green is your favorite color, and purple is your favorite color, and pink is your favorite color. Everyone is your favorite color.
Thank you so much for coloring my rainbow for me.
And don't forget her hair.
You're going to color her hair blue?
I'll color her hair for you. Did you just color her mouth already?
I did, but that's okay. You can color it.
And the clouds?
They're magic. We can't color them. What do you think of this, Bean? Did you enjoy it? Should we do some more?
No, after.
After?
They're right here.
I wonder what other patterns they have. We'll have to check them out, hey? Okay. We had lots of fun coloring, friends, and you know what else we learned? There's no marker on our hands. Bean, can I see your hands? Let's see. Put your hands up like this. No marker on our fingers.
No marker on our fingers.
Yay!
Yay!
It actually is just a clear sponge, and
punch.
it leaves your finger wet, but
And
there's no
it
color.
leaves
So you
your
should still wash your
finger
hands
wet,
after you're done coloring,
you
but there won't be any staining left on your fingers.
It won't be even standing on.
Thank you for joining us, friends. I hope you enjoy your coloring. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.